Hello. From the last set of the problems of grade 5 mission 3 lesson 15, we did problem set 1, problem 1, and then we did problem 2, and then we did problem 3, and then we did problem 4. But when we came to problem 5, I lost the power. So here you go again. We're going to finish problem 5. I'm going to enlarge a little bit so you can see the whole problem. Matt wants to shave 2.5 minutes of his 5K race time. After a month of hard training, he managed to lower his overall time from 21 whole minutes and 1/5 of the next minute to 19 and 1/4 minutes. By how many more minutes does Matt need to lower his race? So if we look this in how we can make a model of it. So just a simple, if this is that overall race, let's see, I'm going to make it smaller. This is overall. So overall time is 21 1/5. And now he managed to lower it, for example, this much, and he has now 19 and 1/4. Okay, so we don't know how much he lower, so that's our question mark. But then also we know that should be how much more he needs to lower 2.5. So assumption is that another part will be, and this should be this is his goal, that he will run 5K for this much. So first step is to find missing number here. So this needed to be 2.5, but and we also don't know what his time is going to be. So when we start from the overall time is 21 and 1/5, and then now he is to 19 and 1/4. So difference in between will be our unknown, how much he did lower from the 21 1/5 to the to 19 1/4. Okay, we're gonna make the same denominator times 4 times 5, and so when we got 21 and 4/20 minus 19 at 5/20. This doesn't work because I have 4 pieces of 20th and I need to give you 5 pieces of 20th. So I need more here in order to subtract 5. So I'm going to regroup this one whole. So it will stay here 20, and then one whole will give me 20/20 plus the 4 that I had. Together, they will make 24/20. Then after that, I can subtract, and I will keep working. So 20/20 20 wholes and 24 twentieths minus 19 wholes and 5 twentieths. When the pieces are the same, now I have 24 pieces and I can give you 5. So when we say 20 wholes minus 19 wholes, I got 1 whole left. But then when you say 24 minus 5, that would be a 19 twentieths. So now I know how much is this, how much did he love her this time. But sorry, you didn't see this. So what reviewed this? So he did overall time 21 and 1/5, and then he lowered to 19 and 1/4. The fractions pieces are not the same, so we made this the same denominator or same pieces, 20th. But we encountered a problem that we couldn't give 5 pieces when we had 4, so we had to regroup 1 whole minute into 20 twentieths plus 4 twentieths. That will make 24 twentieths. When we have 24 pieces, we were able to give away 5 pieces. So that finally 20 wholes minus 19 wholes give us 1 whole, and 24 pieces minus 5 pieces give us 19 twentieths. So 19 pieces. So this is actually that how much he lowered. Now, this plus some unknown number must equal his goal. And his goal is 2 1/2. So now, because these are in 20ths, I'm going to make a whole also in a 20th. By multiplying by 10, I can see that this would be a 10 20ths when so what number? So I'm gonna move this to have more room. So I'm looking for unknown number here. 1 and 19 20ths plus what must equal 2 and 10 20ths. So thinking about that, we'll figure it out how much more he needs to lower this time in order to get his goal for 5K. So let's review this. So it would be 1 whole and 19 20ths plus unknown number must equal 2 and 10 20ths. 10 20ths. Okay, so we have here 19 20ths already. If I picture, then I add 1 20th, that will be 2 wholes here. So 19 20ths plus 1 20th would be 2 wholes. Here is a 2 wholes and 10 20ths. So to this part, I need to add also 10 20ths in order to get me unknown number. So let's check. 1 whole, 19 20ths, plus 10 plus 1 is 11 20ths, must equal 2 wholes and 10 20ths. Let's see if that's true. So the pieces are 20ths. If I have a 19 plus 11, that would be 30. So I have 1 whole and 30 20ths must equal 2 and 10 20ths. So in 30 20ths, I have already 20 20ths. So that means I have another whole and 1/10 more. So this will be 2. So let's see if it's 1 whole and then 20 20ths plus 10 20ths That is equals 2 wholes and 10/20. And you can see this is the whole. So finally, 2 wholes and 10/20 equals 2 wholes and 10/20. So we prove our answer that our missing number is 11/20. And that's how much of the time he needs to lower. And that is the about from the picture is this much, this part of the that he needs to lower. If you look that way, so that would be 11/20 minutes. Okay, so like about this much. Because this and this, which is, we found that this is 1 and 19/20. Together, this and this makes 2.5 minutes. That was his goal, to have at the best time for 5K race. Okay, I hope that I will make it smaller. So this was number 5 in that problem set. Hope you understand. Okay, how many more minutes does Matt need to lower his race time? Matt needs to lower his time 11/20. His time 11/20 minutes more. Okay, that was our answer. Okay. Thank you for listening.